Guys, we're here in Nashville, Tennessee to check out Lead Southeast High School. Let's go! Hey guys, it's Rachel here with Scola. We are here with Principal Genevieve Bird at Lead Southeast High School in Nashville, Tennessee. Thank you for having us, Principal Bird.
Thank you, Rachel.
We just wanted to jump right into our interview and ask you, what is your school's mission here at Southeast?
So the mission at Lead Southeast High School is to really make sure we're preparing every student with the academic and character skills necessary for success in college and in life. So it doesn't matter what they want to do post-secondary after they graduate, we're providing them with those skills to be successful.
I love that. What does that look like here at Lead Southeast High?
So what's really important to us is having a joyful learning environment. So our classrooms are full of joy. There's positivity. In our culture systems, we make sure that we're highlighting students that are doing the right thing and just exuding positivity throughout our school based on our ethos.
Hey guys, we're here with Jay. He's a senior at Lead Southeast High School. We just came from a really awesome assembly. So Jay, can you tell us a little bit more about the assemblies your school puts on and the fun activities that you guys do?
Yeah, so we really love our assemblies. We like having a big melting pot. We're a very diverse school, you know. So we do different assemblies. Like this past February, we had the Black History Month assembly. I was a part of it. And, you know, it's really fun to just show other people your culture, show, you know, things that you do and how you do it, you know.
Yes.
So we really just love welcoming everybody with open arms, you know. All love around here.
That's awesome. We saw the signing posters around here. Have you picked a school?
Yeah, so I plan on going to WKU, and my major is going to be mechanical engineering. So I really like that Lead has helped me, you know, find that major and find what school I want to go to. You know, it's been a great help. So it's always fun to be here.
That's awesome. They prepare you really early on to figure out what you want to do and where you want to go and who you want to be.
Yeah, they've always had that support since my freshman year. So it's always been great to say, you know, I go to Lead and I love being here at Lead.
So Principal Bird, what are 3 things that set your school apart from other schools here?
First and foremost, it's the diversity. We have students from all across the world. Over 20 languages are spoken on our campus, and so that is just amazing. It brings this vibrant community to our school. Secondly, we're really focused on college and career readiness. So our Ready for College, Ready for Life theme includes support by a college counselor for all our students. And then third, we have a 4-year seminar trajectory that starts in 9th grade through 12th grade that all students take, where students start with beginning to understand who they are, what their likes, what their dislikes are, what careers they're interested in, and that flows through 12th grade where they start applying to colleges and thinking about the careers that they want.
So you're really catering to these students and preparing them for their futures.
Exactly.
That's so cool. So we're here with Corey. He's a senior here at Lead Southeast High School. Corey, what is a day in the life like as a senior here?
Thank you, Rachel. First off, we pull up at Lead. We have special privileges as a senior, and then it's kind of chill and relaxed for a senior here. And you really don't got much to do except, you know, prepare for college.
Okay, so what are some of those special privileges that you get as a senior?
So we have block schedule. And we do not do co-op, unfortunately, but instead of co-op, we do have something called free periods.
Okay.
If you have enough credits and are ready to graduate, they'll start dropping your classes, and you can either be assigned to Office Aid or SST.
Are you assigned to either one of those things?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm actually a part of the SST,
Okay.
the student support team.
Okay.
So if they are busy and they do need any, you know, extra help, we step in as students to solve any problems.
So that's a lot of responsibility that they entrust you with, so you must be a stand-up student here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm known to be a leader here.
Amazing. So can you tell us a little bit about your teaching and learning styles here at Lead Southeast High School?
Yeah, so we are really committed to making sure every student has a college prep curriculum at our high school. So that means making sure that every student has ability to access grade level text and rigorous work. We are putting the onus on the students, so the students are actually carrying the cognitive load. In our class blocks, which are 80 minutes, there's a lot of time for students to spend analyzing, reading, writing, and discussing high-level, grade-level text.
Yeah, that's awesome. I saw out on the other door there that you have a signing day poster. So tell us a little bit about that.
So that signing day is a big deal, and this kind of goes with our commitment to college prep curriculum, because we want every student to be able to say proudly what they're doing after high school.
Yeah.
So this year, May 19th, we're going to have our signing day at Belmont University, and every student will commit to either college, career, vocational school, military, and they'll share their great news and where they're going after high school with the entire community.
That's such an exciting moment for those kids, and they get to share it with you guys, and you get to share it with them.
Yeah.
It's really cool. Okay, Jay, so behind us we see that you guys are just exploding here. There are so many students wanting to come to this school. We also heard from Principal Bird earlier that you have over 20 nationalities represented here. What do you think it is about your school that makes people feel so welcome and just want to come here?
I think the fact that we make it a family, you know, we all love each other here, and it's like you get to learn about different cultures and learn about different people at the same time. So it's always fun. It's always a new learning experience to, you know, learn about this culture, learn about these people, you know, and you get to like you can relate to those people also in a sense. So it's always fun.
You feel like it's expanded your understanding of people that are different than you?
Yeah, it's helped me understand that, you know, just because, you know, you may speak a different language, you may have a different color, or you may do something differently, we're all the same. We all bleed the same blood, we're all family, we all love each other the same.
You have a beautiful campus here, so can you tell us a little bit about Redo! You have a beautiful campus here. Can you tell us a little bit about the campus and the school community?
So yes, our campus is amazing. Our students are able to transition inside and outside and get the feeling of nature throughout the day while they're at school, and it brings such a peace to our community. We also are on campus with our middle school, so for families that want a 5 through 12 college prep experience, this is the place for them. We're located right here in Southeast Nashville. A lot of our families come from the Antioch, Southeast Nashville community, and it's such a diverse, vibrant community that's full of respect, where every student comes and is able to be themselves and learn and reach their highest potential.
Not only are they getting like a welcoming environment, but they get to step outside, like you said, breathe in the fresh air, and then go back in for class. That's great. Yeah. Okay, Corey, so we're here in the classroom where the magic happens. Tell me a little bit about your plans for after high school.
After high school, I will be attending to Western Kentucky University.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And I'll be majoring in business with a little bit of finance, and I want to go into real estate.
Oh, awesome. What led you to want to do that?
I went towards my personality, and I know that I can talk well with people, and people gravitate towards me, and I feel like that's a good way to make profit.
Very true, yes. And lastly, Principal Bird, can you tell the parents where they can find more information about your school?
Yes, you can look for us on the internet at leadpublicschools.org, and through social media, Facebook, Instagram, you can find us at Lead Southeast High School.
And you can also find more information on schola.com. Thank you so much for having us here, Principal Bird. Your campus is beautiful. We all felt really welcome, so thank you.
Thank you.
That's a wrap on Lead Southeast High School. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.